Today, we will show you how to set up and begin using your Fenix 9 Pro AMOLED Edition Multisport watch. The steps in this video will also apply to the Solar Edition of this watch. Garmin recommends charging your Fenix 9 Pro series smartwatch for 2 hours before heading out on your adventure. For longer adventures, keep your charging cable handy to charge up on the go. You can even use a UL licensed power bank. If your compatible smartphone supports reverse charging, you can connect directly to the device to charge your smartwatch. First, press and hold the light control button on the top left to power on your watch. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch, or swipe up or down to scroll through the language options. Press the Start/Stop button, or tap the screen to select your language. Press the Start/Stop button again to confirm your selection. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your smartwatch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the on-screen QR code. If you already have the Garmin Connect smartphone application, scanning this code will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning this code will direct you to install the Garmin Connect app. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your information. This will include entering your age and country location. The app will begin searching for your device. Select Find Nearby Accessories on Apple iPhones. Select Connect It or Set Up on Apple devices when the app recognizes your watch. Your watch will now display a 6-digit code. Confirm it in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Select Link Device on Android devices to connect your smartphone with your Fenix 9 Pro Series device. Then, allow any permissions. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. Select Finished to complete the app setup. The Garmin Connect app will offer to guide you through tutorials for your watch and enabling key features and services, such as setting up a Wi-Fi connection. You will now be on the Garmin Connect home screen. Select Get Started to set up more features for your watch, such as connecting music services and Garmin Pay. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will confirm a few on-watch setting preferences. First, you can choose to add a passcode. With the PIN lock enabled, you are required to enter in a code to access the functions on your watch. After unlocking your device, the code will have to be re-entered after an extended period of time or when the watch is removed from your wrist. When the watch is locked, a few important features such as incident assistance and the flashlight will remain accessible. To learn more about this feature, see our passcode video. Select the X to set this up later. Next, you can set the text size. Press the up and down buttons to adjust the text size. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm. Next, you can select the activity types you would like to have included on your activity list. Select the green check mark to continue. A list of activity folders will display. Select a folder to view the activities. Then, select an activity. Continue until you have included all the activities you want on your list. When finished, scroll to the bottom of the list and select Done. Next, you can learn the basics of your watch by selecting the green check mark. Review the information, then scroll to the bottom to navigate through the prompts. There are also pro tips available for your device. Once finished, press the back button to exit. Select the check mark to confirm. You can also access the tips again from the Apps and Activities list. Now that your watch is set up, it will display the watch face with the date and time. Your watch is highly customizable, allowing you to change data and organization to fit your needs. This includes the watch face, shortcuts, activities and apps list, glances, and more. Next, we'll talk about your Fenix 9 Pro Series' touchscreen. Your watch screen will go blank after 8 seconds. Tap the screen to enable the backlight. Press and hold the top center of the screen and swipe down to open notifications. Swipe up or down to scroll through pages. Touch an option to select it. Covering the screen with your palm will return to the watch face and disable the backlight. During activities, the touchscreen will be disabled by default. To learn more about using your touchscreen, see the owner's manual at support.garmin.com. Next, let's cover some basics to help you navigate your Fenix 9 Pro Series smartwatch. While on the watch face, press the down button to open the glance list. Here you can quickly view important data such as heart rate, training information, and more. Pressing the Start/Stop button from the watch face will open your apps and activities list. Some of these items include clocks, map, workouts, and more. Select Activities at the top to open your activities list. Your favorites will be displayed. Scroll to the bottom of this list to access other activities on your watch. Pressing and holding the light control button will open the controls menu. Here, you can access features such as your Garmin wallet and volume settings. Pressing and holding the up menu button will open the menu. Here you can customize your watch layout, clock settings, and view your device history. Select watch settings to adjust your sound, display, and more. Quickly press the light button twice to enable the flashlight. You can adjust the light intensity and color. Quickly press the same button twice again to toggle it off. Your watch also lets you pin up to 3 of your favorite activities for quick access. Press the Start/Stop button from the watch face to open the Activities and Apps list. Select Activities. Locate the activity you want to pin. Press and hold the Up menu button to bring up the menu. Select Pin Activity. Your activity will be at the top of your Activities and Apps list for quick access. Your watch also includes a speaker and microphone. When paired to your compatible smartphone, your Fenix 9 Pro Series smartwatch can make and receive calls. The microphone and speaker is also used when triggering your compatible smartphone's voice assistant while paired. Additionally, your Fenix 9 Pro Series device includes voice command. This feature utilizes the microphone and speaker to complete various watch interactions. Some of these include starting a run, setting a timer, taking a note, or adjusting the watch volume. This is also available when not paired to your compatible smartphone. Finally, we'll talk about starting an activity. From the watch face, press the Start/Stop button to open your apps and activities list. Then, select Activities. Select an activity profile. For outdoor activities, you will need to have a GPS connection to record location data. Once GPS is found, press the Start/Stop button to begin the activity. Scroll through the available data screens to view different stats about your activity. When finished, press the Start/Stop button. Here you can resume, save, or discard your activity. You can also select Save and Start Epic to begin logging an adventure. Check out our Garmin Epic content to learn more. The activity will be viewable in the Garmin Connect smartphone application once saved. And that's it! Your Garmin Fenix 9 Pro Series Multisport watch is now set up. To learn more about your device, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.